Yeah. Yeah. Oh shit. Do shit. I hate that shit, bro. I gotta do this shit, bro. You don't want me to, but like I'm in the mood. Yeah, I kinda always be doing. Yeah, that's all I know and I see through it. Yeah, to make sure that you see what I be, or you don't know because you ain't me. That's all I've been, really. First off, listen to me, really. First off, I mean, not if you don't, then don't. But to check on it because I'm on my own. And it come up so you don't have to go. Look how I'm coming up, you don't have to go. Take it slow. See, I'm a hooking on your job. If you don't talk like me, cause I say what? I don't have no time for that scene if you don't keep up. You know, I'm keeping on me, catch up. You hear that ugly ass honk right there, man? At the end right there, like ugly as